Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. Make it yourself art and craft series. Today's video is about origami lucky stars. When I came to know about origami lucky star, I was fascinated to make them myself. In this video, you're going to see a short story about lucky star and what each number of lucky stars together represent. At last, we're going to learn how to make them ourselves. One of the most famous origami crafts is lucky star, which is a small star-shaped origami that is usually made in large quantities and is put into a jar and is gifted to their loved ones. The Japanese have a belief that making small stars out of paper, their hopes can be realized. Therefore, this craft is called lucky star. In addition, there is a legendary story in Japan that is very attached to the lucky star and is passed down to their children. Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Hoshi in Japan. She highly loved the beauty of numerous sparkling stars in the sky on a clear nights. Hoshi was totally conquered by the star mysteriness. Her love for the stars grew day after day. At early night, she would lie on a grass and looked at the twinkling stars. One night, Hoshi saw a falling star. Then she saw many falling stars. She was afraid that stars would disappear forever. Hoshi had an idea and ran home for a jar and some paper. Hoshi started folding paper stars. She folded one paper star for each fallen star from the night sky. Hoshi made 100 stars the first night. She put them in a jar, but still she was unhappy. The jar could not hold enough paper stars for all the fallen stars. Next night, when Hoshi went to the field, she saw only few stars in the sky. Sadness filled her heart, and she called her friends to help. The children from the village were very happy to help. In one night, they made 2,000 stars. Soon, Hoshi and her friends lost the count of paper stars they were making, and the black night sky twinkled with stars once again. The children jumped for joy. Staring at the night sky, Hoshi said, "When we make a paper star, a falling star is saved. Our paper stars are lucky stars." The little girl from Japan, Hoshi, and her words were deeply felt by her friends. They loved making paper stars to save the heavenly stars. So, when the children grew up, they taught their children the same tradition of folding paper stars. Since then, from generation to generation, the Japanese have folded lucky origami stars and placed them in jars. An approximate meaning for the number of paper stars are given below. 1 star, you are my only love. 2 stars, happiness and compatibility to the couple. And the story goes on and on. Here I have taken an A4 sized Astro Bright color paper and I'm going to cut it into 1 cm and 2 cm strips. Start by tying a loose knot in a strip of paper towards one end of the paper. Pull the paper strips gently to tighten the knot, then gently flatten to form a pentagon shape. Fold the short end of the paper on one side of the knot and tuck into the knot so that it is hidden. Taking the long end of the paper strip, fold around the pentagon knot shape an edge at a time, creasing gently as you fold in. Don't press down on the creases too hard, just enough to hold the shape. Keep going until you have a short end left. Tuck the short end into the pentagon shape, trimming if necessary to make sure the end doesn't show. You'll now have a small pentagon shape. Hold the pentagon shape in one hand and use one of the fingers of your other hand to gently press the flat edge inward so that it is a concave. Do this to all sides of the flat sides. The point of the pentagon shape will form the points of the star shape. All flat edges will be inflated, turning the pentagon into a star. You might have to practice this technique until you get a perfect one. Let's see how to make the same star with the 2 cm strip. Here is your 2 cm and 1 cm strip lucky origami stars ready. Put these stars into a trendy glass jar and gift it to your loved ones. You can also write some special note for your loved ones on the star or also inside the strip before folding into a star. I hope you liked watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.